Welcome to the Bolt Product Bulk Editor app. This video tutorial shows you how to quickly bulk edit prices using Formula Builder in the Bolt app. Let's proceed. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Click the Apps section and open Bolt Product Bulk Editor. You'll be directed to the dashboard, where you can view and manage all your bulk editing tasks. On the dashboard, click the Create Task button located on the left-hand side. This will initiate the process of setting up a new bulk edit task. Next, choose the specific product field you wish to modify. The Bolt app allows you to edit various product fields. In this step, we are choosing to update the price and compare price. Next, we need to filter the products that should be included in this task. You can filter by below options. For this example, we'll select all products. Click Next to preview the products that match your selected criteria. You'll now see a preview of all the matching products. Now it's time to define the update action you want to apply. Configuring pricing rules. Under this section, select the Based on Formula option. Click the Formula Builder link to view supported variables. Here is a list of variables you can use to modify prices. In the Configure Pricing Rule section, we are updating the pricing using formulas. Price is set based on the formula, current price multiplied by 1.2. Compare it price is set using the formula, current price multiplied by 2. After that, hit the Save button. Then click Check to preview sample changes before continuing. Here, you have the option to manually verify the prices by entering your own values. Review your task configuration before executing it. Confirm that your filters and update settings are correct. If everything is in order, you may choose to run the task immediately or schedule it for later. You also have the option to enable rollback in case you need to revert the changes. Give your task a descriptive name, then click Save to begin processing. Once the task starts, you can monitor its progress in the Current tab. Upon completion, a detailed summary of changes will be available in the History tab. And that's it. You've successfully created and executed a task using the Bolt app. To verify whether the recent updates have been applied correctly, we are reviewing a single product as an example. Let's take a product named Kidswear. Please search for and select this product. You will be redirected to your Shopify admin panel, where you can confirm that the changes have been implemented according to the pricing rules. For additional assurance, we are also reviewing the storefront to ensure that the changes are accurately reflected for customers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching this video.